Well, I know I'm late to the party on this one. I remember late last year when this came out, and everybody made videos on this. It's a very important thing, but I didn't jump right on it for views or nothing. So for me talking to a lot of people that are constantly complaining about HOAs and antenna restrictions, this is for you. The ARRL showed this page here. Okay, this is real simple. I'll make this real fast. Help pass the HOA legislation to, if you're not familiar with, eliminate the HOAs, the homeowners associations that prohibit ham radio operators from putting antennas up. And I got to tell you, if I lived in an HOA, I wouldn't have, I would have come up with something. I hear people every day, they won't even try to put some sort of stick vertical or something in the backyard. They won't try to hide anything. So they're just completely HF-less. And by just simply, with these two bills here in front of the House and Senate, you can go through this whole site, click these, it'll tell you everything, what it is, and what the letters are going to say. But really, real quick, if you just put in your call sign, your name, your address, city, state, and zip, and email, and just click send my letters, that's it. That's all it is. And the more voices matter, the more people that create a buzz, maybe it'll have more impact. I hope a lot of the people that are in HOAs are able to put up antennas one day. Like I said, I would have come up with something that I deployed, just pop it up in a tree at night in a wire, but people won't do that. They say you get kicked out and you get fined and everything else. So I would never be allowed to live in the HOA. It would kick me out real quick. But anyways, yeah, just do this. The link is in the description. It's sendaletter.org, send-a-letter.org. Put the information in real quick. You don't have to be an ARRL member. You don't have to be any sort of politician or someone with an opinion. Just put this in real quick. That's all I'm trying to do is spread the word to get the HOA politics out of ham radio so we can talk to a bunch of new people that have been a ham for 30 years but cannot operate. 7-3.